Alaina, and I work here at the R.H. Stafford Library in Woodbury, and welcome to Storytime on the Go with Washington County Libraries. Today I brought my ukulele, and we are going to sing a song all about the weather. So we're going to sing If All the Raindrops Were Lemon Drops and Gumdrops. Ready to sing along? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. Ready? If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. All right. What if all of the snowflakes were Hershey bars and milkshakes? Ready? If all the snowflakes were Hershey bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be. All right, let's sing about some sunbeams here. They are going to be made of bubble gum and ice cream. Ready? All the sunbeams were bubble gum and ice cream. Oh, what a sun that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all the sunbeams were bubble gum and ice cream, oh, what a sun that would be. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you around the library.